point, everyone. ఎన్నుండాలి last class I given relation that is which is small. I think so most of the small mistake you can do that is right. If you are not understood, please listen. Within 2 minutes you can close this concept. Then you can go back. Molarity formula N by V liters or VML into 1000. Clear? Same molarity N by 1000 into W grams of solvent. You can take ratio capital M small m equal to N into 1000 by okay, check it now. Is it clear my voice? Please check it. So I am taking this equation 1, equation 2. This is equation 1, equation 2, sir. 1/2 ratio. We are taking here molarity equal to N by VML. This is by N into 1000 by W grams of solvent. N 1000 N and 1000 will be cancelled. The remaining is W grams of solvent by VL of solution. Again I am writing W grams of solvent equal to W grams of solution minus W grams of solute. Nothing is the doubt, everyone. W grams of solution, nothing, density into volume I can write. Solution. This is solute equal to W grams of solute equal to number of moles into gram molecular mass. This is the weight of solute formula, sir. Because you know N equal to gram molecular mass by sorry. N equal to weight by gram molecular mass. Weight equal to N into gram molecular mass. So this is I'm substituting in place of solute n into gram molecular mass. Then you substitute here capital M by small m equal to, what's the formula, sir? W gram solvent VML solution. I'm substituting in place of solvent. Solvent equal to W grams of solution minus W grams of solute by VML. So nothing but density into of solution. This is minus n into gram molecular mass by VML. Okay. Now this is capital M by small m. I am dividing. We are doing, sir, both sides. Okay. Otherwise you can write small m from the, what you can write, sir? Small. You can rearrange this one. Okay. Capital small m is, we need small m equal to here. Small m equal to what we can get. Check it. You can take small m here and take this is VML crystal certain. Then small m equal to, this is m into VML. This is solution, sir. Clear? By everything you can bring here. Okay, some people are getting here also doubt. Now I can write one more step better. Some people asked doubt here. M into VML equal to small m into D into V minus n into gram molecular mass. So m equal to, you can bring, sir, everything here. You can bring m equal to m into VML by density into volume minus n into gram molecular mass. Any doubt up to this? Up to this, any doubt? Now I am doing here, I am dividing. Okay. Both numerator and denominator, I am dividing with respect to 1000 by VM, sir. Yesterday done small mistake, that's we are covering very simple manner. This is, we are dividing both sides, sir. Numerator and denominator, I am dividing with respect to 1000 by VML. You can see m equal to m into VML into 1000 by VML. Anything wrong, sir? Divided by D into VML into 1000 by VML minus n into 1000 by VML into gram molecular mass. This is the, I am dividing both sides, numerator and denominator with respect to 1000 by VML. So this is also I am dividing. So I am dividing even this point also. And even we are dividing, this is, check it very clearly. Now what we are getting finally, sir? Please let me know. Can you do parallelly? Anyone, please? VML will be cancelled. Any doubt here? Here also VML be cancelled. Any doubt? Then N into 1000 by VML. What we call this is molarity. Can I write? So small m equal to m into 1000 by d into 1000 minus molarity into gram molecular mass. Array, this is the formula. Yesterday we given without 1000. That is the reason we didn't get answer, sir. Please correct this formula. This is the final formula. Please note down. Molarity and molarity relation. Please note down. Yesterday we didn't given in terms of 1000. Please note down this is. This molecular weight equal to this is solute, sir. This is solute molecular weight. Keep this one. Now we can solve one problem, sir. People got confused. They didn't understand. Then again, please down. Array, make and search internet also same question. I am also searching internet. I am giving that question. Please note down. Check it this formula. I think so. This step only. Last I given up to this. From here onwards, note down. Both divide by 1000, sir. Please check this point. Then final formula, you should get this formula, sir. Noted up. Right question. Calculate molarity and molality. Calculate molarity and molality of the sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid solution of density 1.198 gram per centimeter cube containing 27% by mass now I am going to answer who chat unnecessarily in the chat box, which is not related to chemistry class. Who done that charting? I am going to be asking those people. You have to send your solution to now WhatsApp. Okay. Who done charting unnecessarily, which is not related to chemistry class. Now I am going to be this is the question, sir. I'm going to be asking in 1 minute. Now I will check the chat box. Who done charting in the chat box, which is not related to chemistry. That's I'm going to be asking those people answers. Arey Kushal, I will tell chapter name, everything. What the chapter name? You can't understand. Already one chapter is completed. Which can't understand. Just chapter name enough. Then for you, everything you can understand. Okay, this chapter one, sir. Give answer. Then be wait. If you don't know means how can you get? By within one class attending, you can get everything, na? That is a way you are not. That is a way you are to waste this. So you are not attending. Leave that one. Then contact personally, either me or those people. Then they will guide you, na? Then you are attending directly. Then I am not getting. So what? I didn't attend then. Waste fellow. How many people done sir this question? I'm going to ask you answers. I can find here chat box, which is not, which is who done unrelated chatting here. Because you people you know very well, na? That's why you are doing unnecessarily. Right? Stop your chatting. Clear? do these questions. So who are attending new classes, please wait. Either can get alternate, but I can't do anything within the class for you people. Later, I may can help you. Right now, listen how much you can able to understand. That's only I can do. After class, may can contact who are conducting classes, Seekers people, they can guide you. Either they can give recorded videos or some alternate they can arrange for you people. Please wait. Huh? Don't do unnecessarily chatting in the chat box. They're disturbing other people. See, other so many students, very good, interesting students is there here. You can learn from them also. Hmm? I think this is the derivation I given molality and molarity. So yesterday we didn't given this 1000, we done mistake. Now finally we got perfect answers. Clear? Please check it. This is the question. So I'm asking here molarity. You can chat not related to our class, but timetable, all these nonsense things. Stop these things. Huh? Please stop these things. Ask them only. Check it. We're having here first step is you need to find out molarity. Very simple. Weight by weight percent is the meaning. Weight by weight percent. And this density. You can find out molarity by using very simple molarity equal to weight by weight percent into 10 by molecular mass. Is the molarity formula already given? 27 into 10 to 1.198 divided by 98. Okay. By solving this is will get molarity, sir. Capital M you will get. Once I get capital M, so this is the molarity formula. Capital M calculate substitute everything. You know that one can get small m also. Now you won't get any negative values. Now you don't get any negative molarity. Understood? Please check it. We are getting a negative or positive value today. All done yesterday also. Today also. Check it. Are you getting positive? Now you can share your answer through chat box. Who joined today? Don't wait one. We'll do something. Okay. Contact only 6. Only can help you. I can't help directly. I don't have any rights to do that. Please question. So molarity equal to 0.1325. Is correct? Please check it. After that, substitute small m equal to 0.1325 into 1000 by density 198 in 2000 minus 0.135 into 98. I hope by solving this you won't get any negative value. Please check it. Any negative value we are getting here? How you got 3 point something? Should not get. Solve this one. How much you are getting? This is Got answer? Check. Will get answers. Again, so will get answers. So this is the way they are going to be asked you questions. Otherwise, instead of giving another method without also, we can try that question. Without using formula also. So I hope you should be get answer here approximately 0.1342. Even you are getting 0.1 onwards, fine. Okay. Approximate answer, sir. Check it. Calculate this properly. Is it correct or wrong? You can find out. Array formula and everything in front of you. Just a calculation you make and do that. I think so. What is the next concept I given? Equivalent. So I'm going to be array. I think she corrected that formula properly. This is the now molality and molarity relationship formula, sir. Please note down this is in 2000. Please check and note down this. Okay. Also giving right. Right. Sulfuric acid solution containing 571.4 grams. Sorry. 4 grams of H2SO4 per liter of solution. Has a density of 1.329 gram per centimeter cube. Calculate small m and cap m of H2SO4 solution. So visible, please note down. Array, note down some, then all formulas with you only. Try to solve. Okay. What is the sum you are not understanding? I am giving related values, then I am asking molality and molarity. I didn't ask you different things, which we are discussing last 1 week onwards, same concept. Noted down question completed. Also very simple. They given by mass means weight by weight %. Weight percent they given how to find out molarity. This formula we have to know formula. If you don't means you can't do. By substituting M, you can get getting M, you can substitute molarity formula, then get small m also. This is the molarity and molarity relation. Use this formula, you can get answer. So now I am closing chapter 1 completed. Nothing is remaining. Okay, we given more than enough. Clear. So by any textbook you can get perfectly. So chapter 1 completed, sir. Nothing is remaining. Clear. Now we are going to discuss next chapter. I think that's already given. Equivalent weight concept. Okay. This yesterday noted down definition. I think up to this you noted down definition. Next concept, equivalent concept. Please note down definition. Already in your notes already given. Please note down this equivalent concept. Under that, already we mentioned equivalent weight how to calculate. I am going to discuss briefly and few sums. After that, you can move perfectly redox reactions, and we'll cover redox reactions. More than that redox reaction, I need to explain balancing equations and titration concept. Okay, these two completed means redox reaction also unit, second unit also will be complete. I think so. You are revising or not our chemistry notes every day morning, half an hour you have to revise, sir. Regularly you need to practice, followed by every day morning. Whatever notes you note down, you have to revise properly. One day test, sir. I think so. You are going to get subject to test. That subject to test I am going to be ask you. Write the more concept summary. That is one question, sir. 5 marks question I am going to be ask you. Like that type of questions is the expert questions. That is not like NCERT book questions. Simply write the all formulas of molarity. That is 2 marks question. Okay. Then derive the relationship between molarity and normality. That is 2 marks questions. Like that you will get questions. Be practice everything which is given in class notes. Don't expect NCERT means only NCERT book back questions sir will give that is. Revise completely. Yes, new chapter you can assume that one equivalent concept. This is under redox reactions, everything we are going to discuss. But right, separate side, this is equivalent concept. Array, why I don't know, some people they are worrying too much about chapter 1, chapter 2. Why I don't know this? Huh? I am preparing entrance exam. No need here chapter 2. This is all which is concentration methods is there. This is 12 standard I discussed here. Mole fraction relation, all these things we discuss 12 standard work here. We are doing for IIT. Okay. Your board exam you can very easily get very good score. That doesn't matter 11th or 12th. We are going to be studying very easiest manner. Maybe starting 1 or 2 chapters you need to work little bit more. But once you're done, you understood that one, chemistry you can really enjoy that one in future. Okay, every chemistry chapter you are going to be enjoy. Anyway, right? Equivalent concept and definition, please note down. The full definition, equivalent concept. Gram equivalent weight equal to gram molar manufactured. This is basic formula. This formula we'll discuss. Okay. First definition. I think yesterday noted down definition. Please let me know that one. Definition already noted down. Okay. Yesterday wrote already. Fine. Now we are going to be apply the definition, sir. What is the equivalent weight means? Suppose any element M, if that reacting with or displace 1 gram of hydrogen or 8 parts or 8 grams of oxygen or 35.5 grams of chlorine. The amount of substance which can combined with 1 gram of hydrogen or 8 gram of oxygen or 35.5 grams of chlorine. That much of weight is called gram equivalent weight. What we call gram equivalent weight. This already definition I given. This is second time I am giving this definition. Okay. So you can see, for example, here, sir, here. You make and take calcium plus Cl2. How many grams? I need to calculate here. Question is the equation, sir. Calculate equivalent weight of calcium. This is a question. Calculate equivalent weight of the calcium. What the answer, sir? Fine. This here CaC plus Cl2 gives rise CaCl2. Their calcium is 40 grams combined with 7 grams of chlorine. Chlorine weight is 10. Each chlorine 35.5. If 2 chlorines is 71 grams. Students, how to calculate atomic mass also you have to know that one. Up to 30 units by head atomic masses. So 40 grams combined with 71 grams of chlorine. But our definition how many grams, sir? 5.5 grams of chlorine is equal to its equivalent weight. So if 35.5 of chlorine can combine with how much? That is equal to equivalent weight of the element X. Then X equal to cross multiplication, sir. 40 into 35.5 by 71. This is will get to 20, sir. So 20 is the equivalent weight of calcium. Understood? So just applying definition only. Just applying definition. You can try one more question. I am applying all the things. Na plus half H2 will give NaH. What is the equivalent weight of sodium? Or calculate equivalent weight of H2. Sodium. So here we can write sodium Na plus half H2 NaH. 23 grams. Combined with how much, sir? Half H2 means 1 gram. So if combining with 1 gram of hydrogen, you can see here equivalent weight of an element is its weight which combines with or displaces from a compound 1 part of hydrogen means 1 gram or 8 part of oxygen which is equal to 8 grams. So already definition only this is. So 1 gram means 23 grams only equivalent weight. Can you try here? Calcium plus H2 plus CaH2. What is the equivalent weight of calcium here? Equivalent weight of calcium. Please can you do? Yes. Some are asking Pawan, why not 16 grams? Yes, I will give, sir. That is also reason I will give. I will give reason. You don't worry. Everything I will give reason. So same here, 40 grams combined with 2 grams of hydrogen, but our definition is for 1 gram how much? So x equal to 40 into 1 by 2, 20. So by taking your, with respect to chlorine, 20 only equivalent weight, with respect to hydrogen also 28, 20. You can use any definition you can get. Understood? Any doubt here? Can I give one more question? Now we are going to be solve some questions, sir, based on definitions. Based on definition, we are going to be solve some questions. Today our class, that's only, sir. Just we are going to be calculate some questions based on definition. I will give number of questions, sir. Up to you are getting that, I will give questions. Please note down question. This is the question, sir. First, if anyone you are able to solve, you can try. If you are not getting, I will discuss again. Just I am giving 1 minute time for you to solve this one. Try it. If you are not getting, I will discuss. Correct answer, sir. Correct. 22.9. Yes, correct answers. Or 23 also you can give. Here given, sir. Just look this one, very simple. Given percentage, meaning 100 grams contain this 100 grams of metal chloride, sir. 100 grams of metal chloride contain how much, sir? 39.3 grams of metal. Is correct? Means what is the chlorine weight? Can you calculate here chlorine weight, please? This is metal chloride. Some MClX is the metal chloride. How much is there? So what is the chlorine here? Weight of chlorine. Metal chloride is 100, sir. Metal I don't know, but chlorine I know. Sorry, metal how much here? 39.3 grams. Array metal chloride means what is that one, sir? Metal plus chlorine both will be there. That metal chloride is 100 grams, but metal weight is 39.3 they given, plus chlorine weight we don't know 100. Then what is the chlorine weight equal to? How much? 60.7 grams. Our basic definition here 60.7 grams of chlorine contain. What is the weight, sir? 13.3 grams. But our definition is 35.5 grams of chlorine contain. That's equal to equivalent weight of metal. So X equal to 39.3 into 35.5 by 60.7. By solving X equal to, we will get approximately 23 grams. What we done, please can you analyze? Please read your question first one more time. Very simple. Don't get metal chloride contains 39.3% of metal, means this is percentage is for 100. So I am taking here 100 grams of metal chloride contain this many grams of metal. So metal chloride weight means metal plus chloride both will be present. So this is the metal weight, this is the chlorine weight. By substituting, I got pure chlorine. Our definition is this many grams of chlorine contain 39.3 grams of, suppose. Then 35.5 grams means how much? Because our basic definition 35.5 grams of chlorine which is combined equal to its equivalent weight. Approximately 23. Array who are not responding means either you are not understanding, only few people now responding purely which you are the understanding. Remaining people sir means they are not understanding, sir. Only definition I am doing. I am not doing anything, sir. Only definition. What I given? Only 3 definitions I given. With chlorine means you have to remember blindly you can follow 35.5 grams and combine how much blindly. If oxygen means how much we have to consider, sir? 8 grams. If hydrogen means how much? 1. Just only 3 terms blindly you can follow, that is. One more question I am giving. Try to solve. Simple. If you understand, you can enjoy, sir, the chapter. Really. Check it. A metal oxide contains, very similar question. Now I explain. Here metal chloride means you calculated only chlorine weight, then you calculated equivalent weight. Now I am giving oxygen, just find like that only, similar question. A metal oxide contains how much, sir? Metal oxide contains 40% oxygen, 40% of oxygen. What is the equivalent weight of metal? Who will use the first answer? Check it. Already answer over. Very good, sir. Very good. Superb. Really amazing. I will explain also. First read definition. Try to apply. Array now onwards you won't get directly formula based. Little bit how to apply your brain. Huh? Very simple, but if you practice one or twice, if you understand this one, really you can enjoy this one. Read question. A metal oxide contain 40% of oxygen, meaning metal oxide, sir, MO, means metal weight is there, weight of metal plus oxygen, both equal to how much, sir? Grams. Is it clear? Array percentage means for 100 only. In that case, half weight how much they given here? 40% means for 100 is 40 grams. Reduction. So metal plus oxygen equal to 100. Metal I don't know, but oxygen they given 40. So what is the metal weight here? Metal weight is 60. We know according to definition, 40 grams oxygen combined with 60 grams. But our definition, how many grams oxygen, sir? 8 grams, which is 8 grams they combined with weight is equal to its equivalent weight. So X equal to 8 into 60 by 40. So you can calculate now 8 into 6 by 4. Now what's the value, sir? 12. How many people you got this answer? Please check it. Array, someone they're asking continuously why you can't take oxygen. I'm giving answer for you people, sir. Check it. Array, our target is 1 mole of electrons, sir. 1 mole of electrons we have to consider. Oxygen 2 minus. Okay, suppose this is 1 mole. This become half O2. How many electrons will get, sir? 2 mole of electrons will get, sir. Is it correct? But our target is only 1 mole electron. Our always reference is 1 mole. Reference is 1 mole. 1 oxygen gives, because 2 minus, it will give 2 electrons. Okay, 1 oxygen weight how much, sir? 16 grams. For how many electrons, sir? 2 electrons. But our target is 1 electron always. That is a definition. Okay, then how much will get, sir, here? For 1 electron, how much will get? X equal to 16 into 1 by 2, 8. So you have to take always for 1 mole electrons, not 2 mole electrons. This is our basic definition. Please check it. Still any doubt? Array, who asked that one? Why 16? Please check it. Which one you need again explanation, sir? Please check it. I'm explaining previous question also. Some people maybe they understood or not. Array, very clear. Simply you can see percentage meaning 100 grams contain 40 grams of oxygen, means remaining 60 is metal. Just I find metal weight. Metal plus oxygen is 100. Oxygen is 40, means metal should be 60. We know that one oxygen. Here 40 grams of oxygen, sir, this is combined with 60 grams of metal. If 8 grams of oxygen combined with how much? Because our basic definition is 8 grams. 8 combined how much? Array, here I given totally chlorine combination questions I given, oxygen combination questions I given, hydrogen combination questions also. Everything covered from this definition only, basic definition. And one more I am trying to give. Please check. One more different model question, sir. Take challenge this question. How many people you can do, sir? Take everyone, sir. But this to explain this concept, we need one more point. Okay, this concept we can discuss next thing. And easy question, one more thing you can try it. Similar question, right? 0.33 grams of a metal and dissolving means that in dilute H2SO4. Liberated 113 ml of dry hydrogen gas at calculate the at STP at NTP or STP, both are same, NTP or STP. Calculate the equivalent weight of the metal. Calculate the equivalent weight of the metal. Understood? Very simple here. I given hydrogen at STP conditions. If you know hydrogen weight, then you can calculate metal equivalent weight. The only simple thing. So how to calculate hydrogen weight? That is a question. First read this question. Correct, sir. Dry to means doesn't have any water, anything. Look here, I'm solving this question. I don't know how much hydrogen weight. I can calculate number of moles. After that, weight by gram molecular mass. I can use. I can get hydrogen weight. Is it clear? So I need to calculate number of moles first. How to calculate number of moles? N equal to VmL by 22,400 ml. Given at NTP or STP conditions, we given this is. So here VmL they are given. Then calculate number of moles, sir. So calculate here N equal to 113 by 22,400, sir. This is the number of moles. Number of moles. Is it clear? Then how to calculate? Once you got number of moles, what is the weight? How to calculate? N equal to W equal to N into gram molecular mass. Is it correct? This is N value, sir. You calculate from here. Then substitute W equal to N is 113 by 2400 into 2. This is your N value. The weight. I can cancel this is. If you want, you can cancel. This is the W, sir. Our basic definition is, or you can cancel if you want. By calculating this is approximately you will get here 0.01 grams. By solve this is you'll get. So 0.01 gram of hydrogen released by 0.33 grams of metal. If 1 gram hydrogen released by how much? Equal to please check it. Any doubt? Let's take break. I didn't see time. Take break. Note down these things. Same sums work out and come for tomorrow class. If you're not understanding, again I will same sums all on paper and come out. Your task is calculation of this is weight answer. So learn and come tomorrow. If you are not understanding, again we'll discuss. Take breaks. Thank you. Thank you. I didn't see time. Sorry for that one.